Okay, let's try this again. A couple of days ago I butchered up 12 of my meatbird breeding hens and 3 Muscovy drakes. And I cut them up and processed them by the pieces because they're older birds, they're kind of tough, you can't just roast them. And out of it we got 49 meals plus enough carcasses to make 40 liters of bone broth. So 40 liters of bone broth, enough bones for that. And, which is, for us, that's 4 batches of bone broth. We do 10 liters per batch. Okay, and then for these bits here, these ones here are tenders. Looks like there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages of tenders for stir fries. Back here we got 6 packages of drumsticks. They'll need to be slow cooked. Maybe pressure cooker and then barbecued. Here we got 4 packages of wings, the same thing, and 3 packages of duck legs. And then out we also have our ground. And with that we got 29 packages of ground for a total of 49 packages of meals plus the bones for 40 batches of, or 40 liters of bone broth. So that's not bad for 12 chickens. Ones that were egg, we use them for egg layers and as hatching for making more meat birds. They're broiler breeders, I guess you could call them, or French breeders, French meat bird breeders. So there you go. Definitely an efficient way for self-sufficient farming.